In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hopper to chest in Minecraft Mobile, PlayStation 5 or Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use a hopper. A hopper can be used to easily transfer items between chests and other things like furnaces. So if I put these diamonds inside of this hopper, you will notice that all of them are going inside of the chest, so I can retrieve them, and this can be useful if you are doing mob farms or different contraptions. So all that you have to do is grab a hopper, look at a chest, and use the button to place it down. So use left trigger. You will notice that in order to do this, you need to be crouching. So press down on the right stick if you are using a controller, or find the crouch button on mobile. And then you can place it while looking at the chest by pressing the left trigger. You can place it on top of the chest, you can place it at the sides, it doesn't matter. You will notice that if I place it at the back, the hopper is pointing towards the chest. So as long as the hopper is going towards it, you will be good to go. In this example here, you will notice that it is pointing to the ground, meaning that this will not work. So you need to look at the chest and place the hopper. Once the hopper has been placed towards the chest, you can open it up. So stop crouching, look at it, press the left trigger, and you can drag any items inside of this hopper. If you have a chest on top of the hopper, this will also work. So if I place down the chest here, I open this chest, and I place the diamonds inside, you will notice that they will go down from the chest into the hopper, and consequently into this other chest. So there's a lot of things that you can do. This will work for double chests. You can do some intricate setups, and it is especially useful if you are doing a lot of mob farms. You can make hoppers go into themselves. So if I dropped items into this hopper here, it would go to the side, down into the chest, and you can transfer a lot of items this way. It'll work for barrels, furnaces, and any other items that have an interactive UI like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hopper to chest in Minecraft Mobile, PlayStation 5 or Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.